High school students are facing a lot of unknowns as the school year begins, and a hot topic on many of their minds is school-sanctioned sports. Local schools have yet to come to a determination on what is happening with those schedules. News 8 Now's Isabella Hulsizer tells us what to expect and how to console your teen if their season does get canceled.
Many local high schools are waiting on a decision from the WIAA.
Starting practices on the start dates that the WIAA has determined.
A University of Wisconsin survey taken in the early months of the pandemic showed upwards of 2/3 of student athletes reported symptoms of depression and similar numbers for anxiety.
We had baseline comparator numbers available for depression, and we know those numbers were significantly worse compared to what they were during pre-pandemic times.
So the worry of mental health in student athletes is of concern to sports directors if the fall season ends up canceled.
To support them is nowhere near as good as if we are to actually offer sports.
Those who conducted the study say there are ways to console and motivate a teen if their sport does not play come fall.
Whatever we can do to help our kids maintain some sort of structure and schedule is so helpful. Now, I'm biased, but importantly, that structure should include exercise.
Schneider says he would like to see coaches closing the gap, too.
Provide virtual workouts, contact, and keep up with their athletes that way.
He says we can't forget how important sports can be for the development of kids.
School may not come easy to them, and sports is just a good outlet for them to collaborate and work with other student athletes and work with other figures of authority.
In La Crosse, Isabella Hulsizer, News 8 Now.
And while sports seasons are still being decided, Schneider says that if the WIAA does cancel the fall season, he hopes that they will plan for the fall sports to play in the spring.